Hi everyone, I'm back with a DIY that I think you will really enjoy putting together for your farmhouse or just your kitchen decor, and anywhere in the house would do okay with this too. In time to come, I will be starting a series of DIYs, and these DIYs would be with things that you can use around the house that you find around the house. This plastic container that I cut in half, Dollar Tree ribbon that we see here, and also the flowers. I'm taking a paper bag, a brown paper bag, and that is going to be my structure of putting this together, this planter, okay, in this farmhouse look. And these are the colors that's in my kitchen. So follow along and let's see what we can how we gonna put this together. So I'm putting together this series of DIYs with things around the house. In this plastic container here, I'm now wrapping the brown paper bag around it. I did wrinkle the brown paper bag before I started to gather it around the plastic container. Then I fold over the edges at the top of it. I'm using this burlap ribbon that you can get from the Dollar Tree, and I'm actually putting it right in the middle of the front of this planter. Okay, so I'm starting to glue this down, and it's not going to wrap all the way around, just as you see here, just the front middle section of the planter. This cloth rope that you see here is rope that I had around the house, and if I'm not mistaken, I picked up at Walmart. And I'm wrapping it around twice, and then I'm going to do an in and out technique with the rope, and then glue it to the back. And this is the look that you get. Now we're going to start applying the flowers, and I decided to use this white duct tape on the back of this ribbon to give me a more stiff where it don't ravel, and to help cut out the shapes much better. And this is your results from that. Okay, so now we're going to start applying this to the front of the container planter. Here I'm just trying to see how I want to arrange this and how I want to actually the look I want before I decide to glue it down. These flowers, these leaves here are very simple to make. And remember, you can use any colors that you choose. These are the colors that's in my kitchen, so that's why I plan to put this planter. But you can put this anywhere in your home decor. It don't just have to be limited there, of course. And you can use any color theme that will fit your decor. Now, I actually took the ribbon that you can find at the Dollar Tree and put together this flower. I will do a tutorial on that, but remember, you can put any flowers that you want in front of this. It don't just have to be this. This is just what I chose to do it. You can do a paper flower, silk flowers. It's up to you. Okay, and here's the end results with just things around the house, simple things around the house, and a couple of things from Dollar Tree. Now we're going with the Dollar Tree flowers, arrange them on the inside, and this is your end result. Now that picture behind there is on the wall here in my kitchen, is right over my sink, and it's the inspiration for this. Now remember how we started with just simple things around the house, and now from that to this. And it all started with this inspirational picture here. And now something to accent it. I hope you have enjoyed watching me bring all this together and with simple things around the house. And shop your house and see what you can find. Shop your home at all times and you'll be surprised what you can DIY. And here's a second look from another room. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and comment down below. Did you like this? Would you like to see more? And thank you, Amores. See you next time.